Hey guys! Welcome to PinoyTechTips. In this video, I will show you how to reset app preferences on the POCO M3 smartphone. Feel free to refer to this tutorial video if you need help restoring your POCO M3 apps to their factory state. Resetting app preferences on your phone will reset all disabled apps, default apps, background data restrictions, notification restrictions, and permissions restrictions. As a result, all your apps are restored to their factory state. This reset usually comes in handy when dealing with in-app glitches, like when an app stops working or keeps glitching. The same thing when you would want to change the default app to launch a specific file type or protocol on your device. You can reset preferences for a single app or reset all app preferences at once. Performing this reset does not delete existing app data, so there's no need to create backups. However, there is no way for you to undo the process once you hit the reset button. After the reset, all app preferences are restored to default, and all the unwanted apps you have disabled will automatically be re-enabled. If you're okay with that, then you're all good to go. To get started, go to your home screen, and then tap the settings icon. Doing so opens the main settings menu of your phone. Scroll down or up to view all options and features. Then, tap Apps. The Apps menu opens next. To continue, select the option to manage apps. On the Manage App screen, you will see a list of apps sorted by status. Tap the triple dot icon on the top rightmost corner to view more options. From the pop-up menu, tap the option to reset app preferences. A pop-up screen will appear beneath the display, asking if you really want to reset app preferences. Read and review the pop-up message, and then tap the button to reset apps. That should serve as a confirmation command for the device to start resetting all app preferences. After the reset, all custom app restrictions and permissions are restored to defaults. This means that you need to re-enable apps that you've previously disabled and set a default app for specific file types that you want to view or use on your device. And that's all about resetting app preferences on the POCO M3 smartphone. If you find this content useful, please help our channel grow by leaving a like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell icon to get notified. Thank you for watching.